Hello everyone, today I would like to show you all how to download and install iOS 18 on iPhone. Let's have a look. First, open Settings app on your iPhone and make sure your iPhone connected with internet. Scroll down little bit and tap General. Then tap Software Update. Checking for updates. Here you can see iOS 17.7 update or update to iOS 18. Tap Update to iOS 18 from bottom. Total update size 4.03 GB. Simply tap Update now. Enter your iPhone passcode to confirm it's you. Then tap Agree for terms and conditions. Again tap Agree. Update requested. About 25 minutes remaining. To update your iPhone using Wi-Fi, you need almost 30 minutes. After some time you will see about 36 seconds remaining. Then it will start preparing update. Tap Install now. Verifying update. It will restart your iPhone. After restart you will see Apple logo. Then after restart you will see your iPhone lock screen. Now go to settings, then tap general, then tap software update. iOS 18.0 is up to date. So these are the steps to download and install iOS 18 on iPhone. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.